Everyone look away for a second. I don't even think that's going to fucking conduct. Oh, it worked. Okay, we can do it.
Make sure it's for safety helmet on.
I'm going to look through the screen.
That's pretty shit, isn't it?
It's terrible.
It's
never going to work. Fuck's sake.
You need a bit of grinding. This week on Scrap Meat Challenge, we just tried to MOT a road-going car. How's that looking?
I don't know, I can't see where... Right, that looks pretty fucking good. Look at that.
Wow.
Quite good, I mean, absolutely fucking terrible,
But it's holding it.
I don't think it is. It hasn't even melted them.
Should we see if it will hold it? Take the clamp off. Take the clamp off.
What? What?
See if it, you think it's holding?
That's not holding shit. No. There's another fucking thing. Because the gasket's in the fucking way. You just have to go without them. Because I've welded the gasket to it. Oh, fucking hell. Oh.
The gasket's staying on there now.
Just chip it off.
Fucking hell. The gasket's going to have to be part of it. So I'll just do it again. Oh, you really are a dickhead.
Oh, get a screwdriver and we'll chip it off.
Chip it off, it's a weld!
That's what they do in the fucking pictures.
What are you...
Yeah, just hold it still. Watch your shit welds.
Oh, there you go, yeah. I don't get it, really.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I know that bit was good. The only bit I could see was melted.
Put it down on the floor. Just rest on the floor.
See, that's what it's always been like.
It's hot. Things. Oh, that's it.
Right. I'll grind it down again and we'll do it again.
Professional weld. Look, it actually melted it immediately.
Yeah, but the trouble is, because it was sitting higher than what I need.
Then it winds up another one. Oh, exciting!